Hi there, I'm Faye, a Customer Success Manager here at LoyaltyLion. Our platform includes key loyalty emails that mean you can re-engage and retain your customers for longer. We also integrate with popular ESPs so that you can use loyalty data to trigger email flows, reaching your customers at the right time with personalized experiences. We have 2 key emails you can set up that bring your customers back to your store. First, our reward available reminder emails. These remind your customers of your loyalty program and let them know what rewards you have waiting for them to redeem. This is triggered the moment your customers have enough points to claim a reward. Secondly, monthly reward reminder emails can be sent to your customers to let them know how many points they have available, how many they've earned in the last month, and what rewards they have available to them.